Hi again, it's day 4 of my little keeping busy during COVID social distancing month. Okay, today I'm installing a new battery. The old one's toast. It's not taking charge. Very slow turnover. Obviously the first step is to remove the seat. Now I've already sped the process up by removing the bolts that are on either side. First there's this little strap that you have to undo. Here's the battery. I'm going to remove the negative first, then I'll remove the positive. This is a 10. So we've disconnected the negative. Get that kind of up out of the way. There. Obviously this is not the original battery. Even so, there is a core on all batteries, which means of course you return it to the place where you purchased the new battery and they'll give you, in this case, $10. Just a note, I gotta get these little nuts out that are inside, which I'll want to be using on the new battery. I don't need these nuts after all. This post is actually attached and threaded. Just some rust check. This has a spacer, 2 spacers, and bolts. Positive. It's the opening. Lined up. There it goes. Let's tighten. Super tight, 6 to 8 foot-pounds, which isn't really a lot at all. And get this cover on. Somehow, almost. There we go. And the negative. Tidy up these wires and replace the battery strap.